Hi there. It's August 30th, 2017. We are in a cover crop field, multi-species in corn. It was planted about the V5 stage. And what we're going to do today is a infiltration test in field to kind of just show you what that's all about. Alright, so find a spot on the ground. You get your ring. What we're using is a 6-inch metal ring. And when you use a 6-inch metal ring, what you also want to do is make sure you use the appropriate amount of water to show a 1-inch rainfall simulation. So with the 6-inch ring, we're going to use 444 milligrams of water. Well, let's find a spot right over here. So we want to get the residue and all the cover crops out of the way and place our ring. Find a good spot there. That looks good. And then we're just gonna take this board right here, put it on top, grab your maul. You want to have some saran wrap so that you can cover your 6-inch ring while you pour the water on, and then pull the saran wrap off and let the water all fall in at once. So I'll pound it in and then we'll get going on it. Alright, so I've pounded the ring in. And I've got my saran wrap ready and my water ready. So we take the saran wrap, we place it over there, and make a catch area for the water. So in case I'm pouring the water at an unsteady rate, this prevents that from giving you any weird data. So we'll take the water, and we'll pour it right into this bowl of saran wrap inside that infiltration ring. And you got to keep in mind, it's August 30th, 2017, Jackson County, Minnesota. Usually this time of year we don't really get a lot of rain. Well, we have this year. We've gotten at least about 4 inches in the last week and a half, 2 weeks. So these soils, if you can see, they're already pretty damp. They're not at saturation, but they are definitely at or just above field capacity. When you run this test, you want to do it at field capacity. But we just keep getting rain, so we're gonna do it now. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna time it. We're gonna start the timer right when we pull the saran wrap out. And ready, here we go. Now what we are looking for is to see how long it takes that 1 inch of water, 444 milligrams for the 6-inch ring, to go down into the soil. And this is measuring our infiltration rate of this soil right here. So it looks like it's going down pretty well. It's slowed down some. Again, we are above field capacity for this moisture content of this soil. It's pretty darn wet. And we have really nice soils here. They have good structure. We have a lot of roots growing right now. And besides just the corn. So we've got a good stand of cover crops. Here's a little wider so you get a nice flush of them. We've got good cover out here, good rooting, good temperatures that have been going on. So right now we're at a minute. We have a little bit left here. Generally when I've run these out here on this site before, it takes about a minute for it to go down when you're at field capacity. So what we do, we just keep timing this and watching it. And once that water goes down and you don't have any pooled water anymore, you can stop your timer. And that'll give you your infiltration rate for 1 inch of rain.